Forgiveness is allowed because we are about to enter into another new year. I just want everybody to think him or she, they should think whosoever you have in your mind. Because this 2020, it's going to be a great year and a wonderful year. Depends on you how you claim the year. So that is why I ask of you people to learn how to forgive anybody that you know you offend you. Whether the person came to apologize, he did not came to apologize. Please forgive. Just look at your heart. Check your heart that anybody you know that you offend you. I did not say you should call the person. I did not say you should call the person and beg the person. No. But just forgive within your heart. You can do it. Anybody you have in your heart, pray for forgiveness. That God should give you the spirit of forgiveness to forgive those that offend you. Because I know that many of our people, they will be the one that offend you. They will still be claiming right. They are the one that offend you, but they will still stand under their stubbornness. This 2020, before you enter into 2020, your determination matters a lot. Whatsoever you say matters a lot. Bible say, whatsoever we say in our mouth, so shall it be. So the kind of words you pronounce from your mouth, the kind of words you use from your mouth determine how your 2020 is going to be, how your destiny in 2020 is going to be. You know, this year or the country we live, some people will say, this country is very bad, this country is very bad. No, the country is not bad. It is you that have problem. That is why I'm using this opportunity to tell everybody, before we go into this 2020, please check your heart, check your life. What happened in 2019? So it will not repeat itself in 2020. The mistake you made in 2019, so that it will not repeat itself in 2020. Please check before you enter 2020. It doesn't matter that you go to church to pray, that you go to church before you enter new year, that will make your year to be grateful. No. Most of our people that have not been to church for the past 20 something years, or for the past from January to this December, everybody will go to church this night. But that will not guarantee your year, how that year will be. The only thing I believe that will guarantee your year, it is your determination, how you live this new year. The kind of life you have been living before, you want to stop from it. Or the kind of things you have been doing before, you want to desist from it. That will be the things that will make this new year to be great for you. What you need to do, anybody you have, especially the most dangerous things that people ignore is forgiveness. Forgiveness has a great power which people did not understand. It has a great power to hinder our blessing. It has a great power. When you have grudges in your mind, my sister or my brother, you have grudges in your mind. You have been praying for something for how many years? My dear, that prayer will not pass roof of your house. It will not even go anywhere. Or you will be casting abound. You that have people in your mind that say, this person do me this, I will not forgive that person. This person do me this. You hold it in your mind, and you will be praying for something that God should do it for you. God will look at you and he will say, is it not this person that hold my child in captivity? Or is it not this person that hold this my son in captivity? I'm telling you these things because of my own experience. First of all, you learn how to forgive yourself. Because if you did not forgive yourself, you cannot forgive others. Whatsoever somebody do, you will put it in your mind. Then I used to be like that. When somebody do something to me, this person do me this thing, this person do me this thing. No, this time around, I like talk about it. If you do me something, I see the next person, I will tell the next person that this is what you did to me. So if you still explain to that person the same way, that person will see who wrong between me and you. You understand? So somebody might wrong you. You might wrong that person. I did not say you should go and meet the person to beg for forgiveness. No. But if the person still meets you and say, I am sorry, you still forgive him. It's still the same thing. But you can still forgive that person without that person did not came to meet you. Without you did not go to that person, you can still forgive. When you learn how to forgive, you learn how to count things as minor things. Whatsoever somebody say to you, you understand? Count it as minor things, because some of our people, they are fond of doing that. They know how to offend someone, but they never thought of their mistake. They did not know where they are making mistake. They did not know where they are making right. Even me, I made mistake. We are not perfect. We are human beings. The way we look at somebody, if somebody pass you, you just look at that person, and see the kind shirt where this person just wear. I beg, you don't already sin against God. You don't even sin against your own self for doing that. You commonize that person. You don't know who be the person. You just commonize and say, see as he be. See the kind cloth where he wear. You just come public, you wear one kind of shoe, or you come this party, you wear one kind of dressing. That dressing does not matter. What matter that person was there? You understand? Our people believe who give them 10 naira. You just give them 1,000 naira. Say, bros, take this 1,000 naira. Now that person, now I do great thing for them. No. They forget somebody wey dey with them. For morning till evening, they suffer with them. They'll forget that person. Some of our people, they get that kind of character. You understand? But that does not matter that you should hold him in captivity. Forgive and forget. When we learn how to forgive, the spirit of forgiveness, when you have that spirit of forgiveness, you have everything in this world. Everything you need, everything you ever think of, you will get it. Immediately you pray for it, you will get it. Have a spirit of satisfaction. Another thing is satisfaction. Our people, they never satisfy with what they have. They never be contented. Most, not all of them. Some of our people, they have not contented with what God have given them. They only want more. If they come to your house, they see what you have. Say this is what I want now. I'm going to buy this. Even though they have that money, they will struggle. Even though they did not have the money, they will struggle, make sure they get that money to get that thing because of their friend have it. No. Those things is very wrong. We should try and stop this character, because this 2020, my dear, it is a year of blessing. It's still a year of prosperity. It's still a year of favor. It's still a year that many things will still happen. I don't want to use my mouth to say bad thing. So you need to know where you step your foot into. This 2020, you need to choose your friend. Don't let your friend choose you. Choose the kind of friend you want to move with. Because there are some friends, they only want what will favor them. They never care about your own feelings. They just need what will favor them. You say, this is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I want. That is our problem. We all Africans, that is all our problem. This is what I want. We never thought of what are we going to give that will make this world to be peaceful. What are we going to sacrifice? We never thought of that. We only think of what we're going to get. What now I get? What now I get? What now I get? That is why if you still go Africa today, anybody you call or anybody you give and work, the next thing that person they thinks now, what did the person want to get from you? You understand? Why? Because we did not have spirit of forgiveness. We did not have spirit of love. That is why that spirit always come first. First of all, what we need to think of is a spirit of love. Spirit of love, spirit of forgiveness. When we have those two spirits, our country will be grateful. Our country will be successful. Because if you did not love your neighbor, you cannot give him pot of soup. If you did not love your neighbor, you cannot give him water to drink. Or if your neighbor do something to you, you never forgive that neighbor. How can you help that neighbor if that neighbor was sick? You can't. And some of us, another thing that I will still say, we should still learn how to forgive the mother. Another thing that I will still say, we should still learn how to forgive our mother. Some of us that came from Africa, we know there are some mothers that abandon their children. They run away from their husband's house. There are some mothers that still took their children along with them. There are some that leave their children there. They first save their head first. So there are some children, they will not like to forgive that mother because the mother abandoned that when they needed the mother most. So there are some children, they will not like to forgive their mother. They will hold their mother in captivity. Say, this mama, what did mama do me when I small? Hey, my mama do me this. My mama leave me. My mama do this. My mama not put me for school. My dear, try and forgive that woman. Because now, you should not be woman. You don't be friend boy. Maybe you can't jam man now where they beat you. The man, they beat you well. What do you go do? Not to run for your dear life. You not go even think of pinky where you carry for hand that moment. Now your head, now you go to save first. So that is the reason why I do this video. May everybody have forgiveness in your heart, because mother that carry you for 9 months, do you want them to say that woman not love you? If that woman not love you, for abort you, when you know say get belle, go abort you, throw away you for corner. You know go suffer that 9 months pregnant. I will still say me myself, I have that feeling before when I was a single girl. I used to say, my mother did not like me. My mother did not do this. My mother did not do that. Why my mother leave me? It's because of that I did not go to school. The people I went to, my family people, they will say, come and stay with me. They will be using you as a house girl. So I learned the day I forgive my mother. The day I forgive my mother was the day I was pregnant for my first child. Not the one that I abort, the one that I bring into this world. That was when I forgive my mother. I remember the pain that day when I was in labor. I remember that pain, Hi. The way that pain day, my brothers and sisters, any woman wey don't born, they go understand the pain when they talk about. The way that pain day, not be waiting woman they experience, sometimes 2 times safe. But when the pain don't finish, the pikin don't come out. Now, you don't forget, you still want to carry another belle. It is sweet, it is pain. We must say the truth to ourselves. So that day, I forgive my mother. I say, this woman, no matter even that time, no hospital safe. No way that they born pikin now. Inside plantain. Backyard. They go force pikin wey pass 5 kilo. out of their body. Me now, when I small, I be picking way fat where I make wicked. You understand? So that day, I forgive my mother. Immediately, I remove that words from my mouth. Say, I forgive her. So that day, when I give birth to this my boy, my lovely boy, that day, I forgive my mama. You understand? So, spirit of forgiveness, immediately I remove that forgiveness. It's like I was free from bondage. You that hold somebody in captivity. You yourself, you are still in that same captivity. You understand? That spirit of forgiveness is a great spirit. Immediately you forgive somebody, the things you have been looking for years, your way will be open, especially your own mother. You understand? Especially your own mother. You understand? So, see that my lovely boy that just go. That boy opened my way. He removed that spirit of forgiveness came upon me. I forgive everybody that offends me, especially my own mother. I forgive her. In anything, I now realize that it is not their fault that made them to leave husband house, that leave you there. Because woman wey man won't key, hey, you no go remember saying get pikin no, because not be the pikin. Your papa no dey beat you, beat your mama together. Na only your mama and your papa they beat. So now make the poor woman come out, abandon you. As he come out, you know just abandon you finish. He still get your word for his mind. But it's because of that spirit of fear, beat, you no go make am come out of you. You understand? We just live our life. So when you still come jam her, you come see and say, he don't make change. She come still made Ahmed. Please, forget. When I go Nigeria last, so I sick for 2 weeks. For that 2 weeks why I sick, mama every day, now she dey come. She go cook, go bring food for me. She go do everything. If I come out, I go where she dey sell. Where she dey sell yam, sell rice, I will go there. If I reach there, I go lie down for bench. I go lie down on top of her. For me to regain the time wey pass. When I go lie down on top of her, the only thing, one thing I feel, I never feel am before for the past 38 years. I never feel am before. One thing why I feel, while I lie down on top of mama, I feel the love. I feel her heart beating. I feel it. I go lie down on top of her when I'm not well. With my own condition too. I'm not well. I go lie down on top of her. And so she go, they use on they rub my hair. Go they use on, they rub my hair. I feel the love of mother for that 2 weeks. The love of mother I not feel before. I can't feel long. I can't feel long. You understand? She herself, she still feel the love of daughter. This last time I go Nigeria, so you know, say I did go Nigeria before, but it not be like this last one. This last one was just me and my mother. This last one was just me and my mother. Anywhere, if I go anywhere, if I dey come back, I'll come down for a shop. At last, mommy, I don't come back. Oh, I dey go house. She know when I dey come up for house. She know when I dey around. At least I know when the fever really hold me well, I know if you go house. So she call me, call. I know if you pick phone. And then she can call my younger sister, say, may you go at your sister house. And they call on since they don't pick phone. Very early in the morning. Around 6 o'clock, my younger sister, and they wake me for house. Inside sleep, I dey hear somebody they shout my name. They shout the name of my pikin. Then I wake up, come go open door. Look my body hot. Listen on that thing. You understand? So because she dey call me, I no pick phone. So she believes say now my younger sister go feel reach where I dey before her. Then she dey cook for house. She come cook, come carry food, come give me, I come eat, I come drink medicine. Wetin I never feel before. Maybe say if I dey sick, I no go see anybody. Whether I dey die, nobody will even bring food for me. Nobody will even do anything for me. But this time, I really feel the love of mother. Adibi, I still have that grudges in mind. Maybe those things for not happen to me. Those love where I feel, I for not feel them. So now that same reason made me consider and say, anybody will get grudges for your mama, for anything your mama do, whether your mama eat your money or your mama do this one, no, do anything, forgive her. Please, I dey beg. I dey beg, no, not forgive her. Forgive and forget. Not only your mother, your best friend. If you do something to you, if you do something you don't like, fine. I'm not saying you call her back. But not gonna be best of the same feather again. No, but forgive her. If you forgive her, your way go open. You understand? Your way will go open. Have the spirit of forgiveness. This is what I have to say before this new year finish. Check your mind. Anybody, your brother, your sister, or your sister bring you come this Europe, or you bring your sister come, that your sister not pay you finish, or anything where she did do, no hold on for your mind. Forgive her. Let her go. She not get the money, now make her not pay you finish. But still draw her near body as your sister. Not be say maybe you would have there as a sister. Anything where she talk, you just use her. They use that thing where you do for her. Till they make her they feel bad. No. If you do all those things, you never still forgive her. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is a great key to enter heaven. Forgiveness is a great key to open your destiny. If you learn how to forgive, you know they hold anybody against your mind. Hi, your way, people go they wonder say this girl they use juju. Whereas you know they use juju. As me, I just did so. I'm a testimony. I'm a living testimony. This 2019 was a great year in my life. Whatsoever I asked God to do for me, sharp, God do it. Because why? This mind do I get so. You not reach me chop. Put this my belly. You not reach me chop. Not to talk of to come put your word joiner. No. I beg my brothers and words I'm saying. I'm telling you the truth. Spirit of grudges hold blessing. Spirit of anger, two spirit, anger and grudges. Unforgiveness, my dear. When you are praying for everything, it does not go anywhere. Please learn how to forgive in the name of Jesus, and God will grant all your heart desire in this 2020. He will still grant my own too. Anything that you have, you will have double or double upon it. You understand? Edo ya kpitan we even ave ba. Even ni ma ve, e ma khian ba ni Jesu. Wala ho. Wa me ihiton, ihijaji da iwi wa. Wa me ihwa fi wirie da iwi ihuwa. Ona uwe me no uwe ya boy. Yo hoye ya boy. Wala o. Wa yo hima ya bima. Kime no wegu nene video na ke ya. Iga bebe mokpa ni ta ni ya wa bemi ko. Wa ya bome. Wala o. Ubi wa ihi. Wala o. So, Please, my dear brothers and sisters, this is where I end my video. For good and for blessing, please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel and be your sister's keeper. Thank you for watching my video. Please, before you judge me, listen to this video very well to the end before you judge. Please forgive me if I offended you in any way. I use this opportunity to plead for forgiveness. We are all humans, so don't forget to subscribe and leave the notification button below. Thank you once again, and don't forget to like my video. Bye.